I-universe izikhohliwe, ayizazi ukuthi ubani, iyadreama. Uyabona lo muntu omthandazayo noma lokho okuthandazayo okubiza ngokuthi kuNkulunkulu wena, akuyazi yonke lento le, akuyazi yonke lento le. Khona into ekuyilandelayo, kulandela i-energetic blueprint and laws of the universe. Isebenza ngalonto, ayazi lutho, ilele. And wena ulana ukuzoyisiza ukuthi ivuke, kodwa wena uyathandaza, uthandaza iphi uthandaza kwini, ekuphi, ngoba lento isebenza ngemithetho. Lento ithi baningi abantu abathunyiwe abazovusa abantu la. Makuvuka abantu kuvuka i-universe. Lento ithi focusa kuwena, ngoba uma ufocusa kuwena ila khona ukwazi khona ukuthi uvuke. Mawuvuka ila ukwazi khona ukuthi uvuse i-universe. Ngoba mawuvuka wena akwazi ukubayeka abanye abantu belale mase uvukile wena, akwenzeki. It never happen. So ngalesi sikhathi ubingelelo changes akasha uthi kungenzeka noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani, ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya, ungatatazeli. Uyabona ukuthi ukholwa kakhulu noma uthandaza kakhulu noma wenzani, makuthuke kuqondana nje wa implement umthetho othile kuyoqondana. Kodwa yonke into la kwi-universe isebenza ngomthetho. Njengoba ngikutshela ukuthi i-universe ilele, i-universe izovuka wena uyi-universe helper. Kodwa uyi-universe helper hayi ngamandla akho, ngamandla ayo futhi the very same universe that is the infinite intelligence. It doesn't know itself it's existing like you do. It doesn't know itself that way. The universe, that thing that you say God, ayinayo personality. Isebenza ngalendlela esebenza ngayo. We do not know anything about it. It doesn't even know itself. But we are the helpers of it, because you are the conscious being. You are the conscious being. Yini ke kumele ukuthi yenzeke? Wena kudingeka ukuthi udive within. Dinga ukuthi udive within. Yabona manje shut down yonke lento engaphandle. That is why nginandaba nanokuthi wena uyifuna kangakanani lento oyifunayo. Ufuna kangakanani umuzi, ufuna kangakanani abantwana, ufuna kangakanani imoto, ufuna kangakanani umsebenzi, ufuna zonke lezi zinto zokuphila la kwa physical ayinandaba nazo. Ngobani? Yona lento esikhuluma ngayo, this is energy. Energy is what's there. That is what is there. Energy. Energy is what create. It is the raw material that created this physical universe. This physical universe that you see, it's just the interference and the disturbance of energetic waves that collapse into this physical reality. By law, there are laws that makes that to happen or to be possible. So if you believe everything that you see, everything that you hear, you are still asleep and you're gonna suffer a great deal. You're gonna suffer, you're gonna be awakened forcefully so. Ama bruises akho wona zokuvusa. Kungani umuntu before abe spiritually awakened aqale, most of them, because I do not know about the other, I know about myself. Kwakungani mina ngiqale ngithi go through this emotional torture before ngibe awakened? It's because mangivusa umuntu umvusa wena ufike wenze njani? Mumbonza akavuki, uyamemeza umbonza avuka, ummemeza umbonza avuka, bese uyamthinta angavuki, bese uyamnyakazisa ke manje. Yabo? Uma ungavuki lapho uzomnyakazisa kakhulu ngoba ufuna agcine evukile. That's what happens. That is why you go through the emotional torture. In fact, isho ukuthi lento wena usuke wena ulele, wena ukholwa yile zinto ozibonayo nalento ozizwayo, ukholwa yile physical reality njengoba inje, kanti ayiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona, bese uyavuswa. Mawuvuswa ke kuzonyakaziseka izinto obuyitshela ukuthi naziyiqiniso zuwena, kuzonyakaziswa i-comfort zone yakho, bese kungenzeka yabo lento othona ayihambi kahle empilweni yakho, le mpilo yakho uma uyibona ngathi ayihambi kahle, kungenzeka ukuthi usalele. Chances are ngoba nokulala kwethu kushiyana ngamazinga kanye nokuvuka kwethu kushiyana ngamazinga, ukuthi ulele kangakanani noma uvuke kangakanani, ngenzeka ukuthi ulele ngoba uma usuvukile you start to realize ukuthi yonke into ine harmony, ihamba ngokwe-harmony, ayikho into ebhimbayo. Uyarealize ukuthi ayikho into eyinkinga la, ayikho into ebhimbayo la, yonke into perfect. That you start to realize that everything is just perfect, perfectly fine. Yabo? But if you see the imperfection is in the eyes of the person who is still asleep. Ukuthi lokho bekungamela ngabe kuyenzeka, lokho bekungamela ngabe nje, you do not suffer, you don't even suffer. You are suffering your own experience. You are not experiencing suffering because there is no suffering here. There's no suffering here. And once you awaken, you start to know and to know those things, not even to believe them, to know them, because it goes beyond the level of belief. Start to know the truth, because there's only one truth in this universe. There's only one truth. The truth is what? Pure consciousness, pure awareness. That is the only truth that is there. All else that is playing within that vicinity or within that scope, just a play, just an illusion. Anything that is playing there. So when we are here to help the universe, njengamanje ngihlezi ngisho ngithi mina uyaphupha, you are dreaming, we are in the dream, you are in the existing in God's mind, ne? God is dreaming. Yabo? It's just the God uma ukhuluma ngomcabango. Yabo wena mase ucabanga ama characters wacabangayo, ucabanga iplay oyicabangayo. All those things are happening in the mental domain or in the mental realm. Yabo? That is where this thing is happening. The whole story. Exactly the same way that God is thinking. God is, whether you say he's thinking or he's dreaming, whatever you say, but the common factor here is that you are in the God's mind. Ne? God is thinking or God is dreaming right now. So, umuntu mangabe ecabanga ke, masikhuluma ngomuntu ocabangayo nje. At some point, uyaye kube khona izinto emele zenzeke uzavuke. Manje ukuthi leli phupho leli noma lo mcabango kaNkulunkulu ureal. Njengamanje sizokhumbula izinto sesizikhohliwe. Ngoba yonke lento descended down. Now it has to ascend. So the level of consciousness, that's what you are here for. That is why umuntu okade chase kakhulu imali engenandaba nalutho olunye, ehubha imali, ehubha imoto, ehubha imizi. Yabo mase ayitholile lezo zinto. Kufika isigaba la khona athi man. Yabo the more I chase, the more I don't get to the point where I want to reach. Uyamthola ukuthi uyaqala buyele back to basics. Umbone sepha abantu imali, umbone seba nama charity, umbone senikele segive. The very same person okade engafuna ukugive chase paper, athi I'm chasing the bag, I'm chasing the paper, that's what I'm here for. The very same person umbone seba nobuntu, eba human, even though maybe kade enabo ubuntu vele, but iyaqala ishift lento ukuthi man ngenze ukuthi this game, this is an illusion. Ngihubhuta lakho la into engeke ngize ngiyifice. Lento yokuhubha material success ngihubhuta lakho. Bese iyavuka into ukuthi yazini. Mhlambe sometimes omunye uba ne-existential crisis. Ukuthi I have it all now. What else? What else can I do? Ila kuvuka khona into. Hayi ukuthi i-spiritual awakening sivuka kuphela ukuthi ungene ebuhlungwini bokungabi namali nani. Nokuba nayo i-success yonke. Ugcina usuba ne-existential crisis. Senginakho konke okufuna umuntu emhlabeni. yini enye kumele ngiyenze? No, now do I have to die? What else? Now you start to see things in a deeper sense. Wena muntu ujaha lezi zinto njengoba awakafiki le point lokuthi ube nayo yonke into, urealize ukuthi awuzele lezo zinto la emhlabeni.